Hey guys and girls, in this video, we're going to take a look at the best budget gaming laptop. This list is based on my personal opinion and tons of research, and I've listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we'll have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay till the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the budget gaming laptops in the video, just subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell, and leave a comment with a hidden word in the video. Once we reach 1,000 likes, we will pick a winner and notify him. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best budget gaming laptops on the market right now. Coming at number 8, we've got the Lenovo Legion Y530. The Lenovo Legion Y530 is the Porsche of budget gaming laptops. Its minimalistic design and blackout color scheme give it a suave look you'd associate with tuxedo-clad, big screen villains. Outside of its stately good looks, you'll get a gaming notebook that offers a wide range of ports and solid graphics card. It's a very good choice for casual gamers who want a cheap gaming laptop with a button-up design that can blend in and even impress, no matter the setting. The Lenovo Legion Y530 is a sleek system that offers great looks, a wide range of ports, and a solid graphics card. The laptop boasts a solid display with decent speakers. It's a very good choice for casual gamers who want a cheap gaming laptop that can fit in any office setting or a LAN party. Number 7. Zeus Guf Gaming FX 705. The TUF Gaming FX 705 is a good choice for anyone who wants a large, mid-range, yet cheap gaming laptop. The FX 705's 17.3-inch 144Hz display is vivid and detailed, and its Core i7 CPU and GTX 1060 GPU provide excellent all-around performance. The laptop also has a comfortable keyboard with customizable lighting, plenty of ports, and offers over 4 hours of battery life, which is impressive for a gaming laptop at any price point. We were thoroughly impressed with the laptop's 17.3-inch 1920 by 1080 display with its 144Hz refresh rate. Not only did the laptop deliver incredibly smooth frames, it's also bright and vivid. It's great for watching movies and playing games. Overall, the Zeus TUF Gaming FX 705 is a solid mid-level gaming laptop that offers excellent performance at a reasonable price. Number 6. Acer Nitro 5. The Acer Nitro 5's powerful 9th Gen i5 CPU, capable GTX 1650, and sleek design, all at a sub-$1,000 price, make this machine a casual gamer's dream. Starting from $699, the Acer Nitro 5, $879 tested, runs games remarkably well and stays cool while doing so. An abundance of ports, solid gaming performance, and an affordable price combine to make the Nitro 5 a category leader over more expensive competitors, giving them a run for their money at just 2/3 of the price. Nitro 5 is a solid gaming laptop for casual gamers who want a middle-tier performance at an entry-level price. This machine's plastic body is a bit chunky, but the processor and NVIDIA GTX 1650 GPU more than make up for the chassis. Plus, thanks to Acer's NitroSense fan-controlled app, the laptop stays cooler than the competition and below the average even when performing demanding tasks. Coming in at number 5, Dell G715. Meet the G715. Visually, the G715 is cut from a different cloth than either the Inspiron or the Alienware brands, giving the laptop an identity of its own, and it offers solid overall performance for all your multitasking needs. But more importantly, thanks to its Max-Q GTX 1060, you can expect good frame rates on AAA titles on medium to high settings. It's a great cheap gaming laptop, rocking a sports car-like design complete with eye-catching color. The G7 looks like nothing Dell's ever made, but beyond the fetching new look, You get loud audio and specs capable of delivering solid mid-level gaming performance. The latter is important for all your multitasking needs. But more importantly, thanks to its Max-Q GTX 1060, budget-conscious gamers can get good frame rates on graphically taxing games. It's an emphatic step towards the future that maintains a few good lessons from the past. Coming at number 4, MSI GF63 8RB. The MSI GF63 is designed for people who want to game but don't want to spend a fortune to do so. You get solid performance from its Intel Core i7 processor and NVIDIA graphics. It offers excellent performance at a reasonable price, allowing you to play most modern games at low settings. It's a great choice for an entry-level player. But don't sleep. The MSI can play most modern games thanks to the NVIDIA GeForce 1050 Ti GPU housed within it. However, its strongest suit is its Core i7 CPU, which put it a step above the competition on most of the competition. The GF63 is a solid laptop that offers excellent performance at a reasonable price. However, this is a laptop for more casual gamers. Consumers looking for a more robust performance should look for a cheap gaming laptop with significantly more powerful specs. Number 3. HP Gaming Pavilion 15 DK0046NR. The HP Gaming Pavilion 15 DK0046NR is an entry-level gaming laptop with a powerful Intel Core i7 processor and an NVIDIA GeForce GPU, with an agile SSD and great battery life, all wrapped up in a striking, fairly portable design. Its combination of specs, power, and endurance earned the laptop a place on our top cheap gaming laptops under 1,000 page. The Pavilion 15 is not to be slept upon, simply because it's a budget system. It packs some powerful specs, which means the notebook can play games at a good frame rate. And at nearly 6 hours of battery life, it's got endurance to spare. It also manages to stay pretty cool, even while gaming. Still, if you're looking for a surprisingly powerful entry-level system at a great price, the HP Pavilion 15 should be at the top of your list. Coming at number 2, Dell G315. The G315 is a great refresh of an already impressive, affordable gaming laptop. It has solid performance paired with a great gaming utility on top of awesome battery life for a gaming laptop. Plus, it tears through most games at impressive frame rates, and you get a nice comfortable keyboard to play on. But where the laptop truly shines is in its price point. The laptop offers strong performance with its 9th gen Core i5 CPU and GTX 1650 CPU, backed by the full power of Alienware Command Center. Combine that with great battery life, and you have a badass gaming machine. However, G3's relatively affordable price does come at the cost of a relatively dull 15.6-inch display. Overall, the G315 is the gaming laptop to get if you're on a tight budget. Number 1. Lenovo Legion Y545. The Lenovo Legion Y545 offers strong gaming and overall performance with understated, business-ready looks, all for an affordable price. Thanks to an NVIDIA GTX 1660 Ti GPU and an Intel Core i7 CPU, the Legion Y545 is the best cheap gaming laptop, keeping its competitors at bay. Instead of a flashy light show, Lenovo opted for a sophisticated, subtle design, allowing it to fit in an office setting or a LAN party. The laptop's discrete NVIDIA graphics chip serves up a surprising amount of power, with above-average results. And when you're not gaming, the laptop Core i7 processor is more than capable of allowing you to create spreadsheets, do some light video editing, and, of course, watch some movies on the beautiful 1080p display. And despite its price, the laptop also delivers a comfortable keyboard and excellent audio. In short, it's the cheap gaming laptop to beat. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best budget gaming laptops. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.